Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add events to calendar on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Of course, we're gonna use the default calendar app, which is available from the start on this device, and this is not the same as the Google Calendar. So if you use Google Calendar, then you need to download it from the Play Store first. So let's go to the calendar app. This is how it looks like. We can sign into the calendar using the Google account as well. So if you press add, then of course you will immediately synchronize. I'm gonna cancel this time. In order to add event, we need to press this plus button in the bottom right corner. Now over here we can set the title, we can set the color on the right side. We can also use one of these images like emojis or something. We can select the event to go through the whole day, or if not, then we can select from which day to which day and from what time to what time. When does it start and when does it end? And after that, we can also select the location. We can choose the family, so we can select which calendar to use if you want to use the Google account, the Samsung account, or just your phone. We can also select the alert, when should it happen. So by default, it is set to 10 minutes before. We can also set to 1 hour before, 1 day before, and also at the time of the event. We can also just disable the alert if we don't want to, and we can set the custom time as well. We can also choose the notification or email as the type of the alert or custom one. So let's go back. We can also choose if we want this event to repeat. We can choose every day or selected amount of days, and the same goes with week or weeks, months or years. Now we can also add notes. We can add the video conference, we can add attachments, NVTs, and we can select the visibility, which can be set to default visibility, private or public, and whether it is busy or free. We can also set the time zone as well. After you are done with everything, what you need to do is simply press save in the bottom right corner, and then the event should appear in the calendar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.